The FIFA World Cup is one of those events that turns the whole world into one massive stadium. Every pass, every shot, every mistake feels amplified because millions of people are watching the same moment unfold at the same time. And in recent years, another layer has been added to that experience: live in-play betting, where odds change in real time as the match is being played. Before going into anything, it's important to understand what this actually means. In-play betting, also called live betting, is when predictions are made after the match has already started. Instead of deciding before kickoff, the situation is constantly changing. A team scores early, the odds shift. A red card happens, the entire balance of the game changes. A star player gets injured, the probability model reacts instantly. Everything is dynamic, and nothing stays still. This system is built on real-time data. Behind the scenes, algorithms and analysts are constantly updating probabilities based on what is happening on the pitch. If a team is dominating possession but not scoring, the odds might still shift slightly in their favour because they look more likely to score next. If an underdog suddenly scores first, the system recalculates everything because the expected outcome has changed. What makes World Cup matches especially intense in this context is that the stakes feel global. Unlike club football, where fans follow weekly, the World Cup compresses everything into a short tournament. There are no second chances in the group stage. One mistake can change qualification. That pressure is exactly what makes live odds move so aggressively during matches. To understand the idea more clearly, imagine a match where a strong favourite is playing against a weaker team. Before the match, the favourite has very low odds because they are expected to win. But once the match starts, if the weaker team defends well for 20 or 30 minutes, the system starts to adjust. If the underdog scores first, the shift becomes dramatic. Suddenly, the favourite is no longer in control, and the probability of different outcomes is recalculated within seconds. Now, instead of thinking of this as betting, it helps more to think of it as a reflection of probability under pressure. Every moment in a football match carries information. A missed penalty changes expectations. A substitution changes strategy. Even fatigue in the final 10 minutes can shift momentum. Live systems try to translate all of that chaos into numbers. But what many people don't realise is how emotional in-play environments can be. Watching a match in real time while making rapid decisions creates a psychological effect where people feel like they are reading the game better than the system. If a team looks dangerous for 5 minutes, it can feel like they are guaranteed to score. If a team is under pressure, it can feel like they are about to collapse. The human brain tends to exaggerate recent events, especially under excitement. That's one of the biggest reasons why live betting is considered much more intense than pre-match prediction environments. The speed of decision making is faster, the emotional swings are sharper, and the illusion of control is much stronger because you are reacting to what you are seeing in real time. During a World Cup match, there are a few key moments that usually trigger the biggest shifts in live probability. The first is an early goal. When a team scores in the first 10 to 20 minutes, the entire structure of the match changes. The leading team often becomes more defensive, while the trailing team is forced to attack. This creates a completely different tactical game than what was expected before kickoff. The second major shift point is a red card. Losing a player doesn't just reduce a team's numbers, it changes spacing, fatigue levels, and strategy. In live systems, a red card can sometimes swing probabilities more dramatically than a goal, especially if it happens early in the match. The third is injuries to key players. Unlike substitutions for tactical reasons, injuries are unpredictable and can disrupt rhythm instantly. If a creative midfielder or striker leaves the field, the attacking structure of a team may weaken significantly, which immediately affects expected goal potential. Another important factor is time. As As the match approaches the final 15 minutes, probabilities tend to tighten. If the game is still level, tension increases because there is less time to recover from mistakes. Some teams become more aggressive, while others focus purely on defence. That late game shift is one of the most emotionally charged phases of any football match. What makes World Cup live matches even more unpredictable is a diversity of playing styles. You might see a European possession-based team facing a fast counter-attacking South American side, or an African team with explosive pace going against a disciplined defensive structure. These contrasts make live momentum swings more common because each team responds differently to pressure situations. But there is something even more important to understand about live prediction systems. They are not just reacting to goals. They are reacting to expected goals, chances created, shots on target, possession quality, defensive errors, and even positioning. A team can be leading but still considered at risk by the model if the opposition is creating higher quality chances. For example, a team might be winning 1-0, but if they are being heavily outplayed, the system may still favour the opposing team to come back. On the surface, this feels counterintuitive, but statistically, it reflects deeper performance indicators. Now, in the middle of all this complexity, many viewers get drawn into the excitement of predicting outcomes in real time. The pace of change makes it feel like there is always a right moment or a perfect read waiting to be discovered. A team looks tired and it feels like the next goal is inevitable. A striker misses 2 chances and it feels like he is about to score the third. These narratives form naturally in the mind during live viewing. However, football is intentionally unpredictable. That is what makes it global entertainment. Even when all data points suggest one outcome, a single moment can break the pattern. A deflection, a counter-attack, a mistake by a goalkeeper, or even weather conditions can shift everything. That unpredictability is what makes live match environments so volatile. The emotional intensity is high because outcomes feel close, even when they are statistically uncertain. People often underestimate how much randomness exists in short timeframes of football matches. Another key concept is momentum illusion. In live matches, people often believe one team is dominating based on short bursts of activity. But momentum in football is not always linear. A team can attack for 10 minutes without scoring and then concede immediately. Another team can look passive, but still be more efficient in finishing chances. This disconnect between perception and probability is one of the most important ideas to understand when watching live matches with any predictive mindset. There is also a strategic layer that analysts talk about, which is game state behaviour. Teams behave differently depending on whether they are winning, losing, or drawing. A team that is ahead might slow the game down, waste time, and reduce risk. A team that is behind might take more aggressive risks, which can either lead to goals or expose them to counterattacks. These behavioural shifts are constantly factored into live probability models. As the match progresses, especially in knockout stages of the World Cup, psychological pressure increases. Players become more cautious, managers become more tactical, and the margin for error becomes smaller. This is why late goals are so common in tournament football. Fatigue and pressure create openings that didn't exist earlier in the match. It is also worth mentioning that live match environments can create a distorted sense of certainty. When someone watches a match closely, every action feels meaningful. But in reality, models are aggregating thousands of possible outcomes, not just the visible moments. A block shot might feel decisive, but statistically, it may not change the overall structure as much as expected. The most experienced analysts focus less on emotional reactions and more on structured indicators: chance quality, defensive shape, transition speed, and consistency over time. These are harder to see in real time, which is why live interpretation is often misleading for casual viewers. At its core, live in-play systems are trying to answer one question continuously. Based on everything that has happened so far, what is the most likely outcome now? That answer changes every second. But the key word is likely, not certain. Even in matches where one team appears dominant, football has a long history of surprising reversals. That is why tournaments like the World Cup are remembered for shock wins, unexpected comebacks, and dramatic finishes. So when people talk about live match prediction environments, what they are really describing is a fast-moving probability system layered on top of a chaotic human sport. It is not a fixed equation, it is a constantly evolving interpretation of reality. And perhaps that is the most important takeaway. Football is not designed to be fully predictable. The beauty of it lies in the uncertainty. Every pass carries possibility. Every shot carries risk. Every moment holds the potential to rewrite the story of the match. In that sense, live viewing during a World Cup is less about control and more about observation. It is about watching how quickly situations can change, how fragile momentum really is, and how even the strongest teams can be pushed into uncomfortable positions under pressure. No matter how advanced the systems become, and no matter how detailed the data gets, the game will always retain its unpredictability. That is what keeps billions of people watching, reacting, and debating every single moment. And that is what makes the World Cup more than just football. It becomes a live, unfolding story, where anything can happen at any second, and no outcome is ever truly guaranteed until the final whistle blows.